everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Kelsey. I would love to have you subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing a beauty essentials video, kind of like a favorites video, but just more specifically to just beauty, makeup, skincare, that kind of stuff. So starting off, the first thing is a tool. I know, I don't have any beauty tools, but recently I've started using this because everybody was talking about it. So basically this is a jade roller. So it is like this crystal little roller. You use this with your skincare. I usually just use it with a moisturizer. That's normally what you're supposed to use it with, and you use it to sort of work into your skin, not only the product, but it's also, these crystals are super cold, so it's great for, I'd use the little one to depuff under your eyes. It's also really good for blood circulation in your skin. You can also give yourself a little temple massage at the end of the night. I love this thing. It can do so many different great things. The next thing that I have is actually an old favorite of mine that I rediscovered. My lip drawer is like an ocean deep, so I lose lip products that are my favorite, and I'll like rediscover them like 2 years later and be like, oh my god, I forgot this existed. So this is my rose balm. So it comes in this cute little jar. As you can see, I really love it. I'm hitting the pan there. So basically it's an all-purpose solve. I mainly just use this on my lips, but you can use it literally anywhere. It says lips, cuticles, elbows, knees, face, so you can, she's a multi-purpose. But I like that it's thin and small. You can just shove it in your bag. It's a very thick solve, so it's way better than just using like a chapstick or a typical lip balm. I find that if I have chapped lips, this is what I want to go for more so than a chapstick, because it like instantly heals them. And it smells like roses. So my next favorite is a super exciting favorite because I got to make this myself. As you can see, or actually you can't really see, you can see like half of it. I have a really large perfume collection. I love trying new scents. I love mixing scents together. So this perfume is from Ex Nihilo. It is actually a French brand, and when I was just in New York, you guys might have seen my vlog, I basically went to Saks Fifth Avenue and got to custom make this perfume myself. So we kind of went through all of my favorite scents, what I like, what like my favorite smells are, you know, and I got to myself actually mix together all the different oils and scents, and we got to mix it and bottle it all, and it was a really fun experience. So I actually did vlog. I have a couple of clips from when I was at Saks of making this perfume, and also a couple of the other different like perfume experiences that I did. Oh my gosh, this next favorite is such a beauty essential. When I go to the nail salon, all I really ever get is just a gel manicure. I keep it really simple. A lot of times, you know, there's struggles. You don't want to have to drive all the way to the nail salon. You don't want to have to wait in a chair for like 45 minutes, you know. There's a lot. So I don't know how it never occurred to me, but they actually sell at-home gel manicure sets. So basically, I bought this Sally Hansen Salon Gel Polish set. It's so worth it. It's not hard at all. Like, it's not hard. So basically, it has the nail polish color, base coat, top coat. It came with the little lamp for you to like, you know, plug in and you stick your fingers in, and it doesn't take long at all. Like, I can probably do like a manicure, pedicure by myself in like 45 minutes. It does not take long at all. It is, actually, I find it kind of fun. It's like a little, it's like self-care. It's like doing your skincare routine, but like getting your nails done. And my next beauty essential have been under eye patches. I've been needing these, some really good hydrating under eye patches, something that when I'm waking up really early in the morning to film and I don't want to look like I just woke up really early in the morning to film, I can pop these guys on while I'm doing my hair. And these are from actually Wander Beauty. They're called Baggage Claim Rose Gold Eye Masks. They're called baggage claim because you can take them through baggage claim, so these are perfect for traveling. I have so many of these. Like, I'll normally just like stick them in my carry-on or like my purse, whatever. And yes, they are actually rose gold. They're like foily, and they're amazing. I love them. Next up, we have my crimson red lip. Now that it is holiday time, the bright lip colors are back. I personally think everybody can look good in a red lipstick. You just have to find the right red for you. I finally settled on this super bright, almost corally undertoned red lipstick. And so I have two favorites here. Sometimes I'll mix them, but right now I just have this one on. And this is the MAC Lady Danger. It is a matte lipstick actually, which I never wear matte. The only time I think matte is acceptable for me personally is when I'm wearing a red. But yeah, if I didn't want it to be matte and I wanted it to be like a little bit more glossy, satiny, how I normally like it, I have this little like Chanel lip satin, and this is in the shade 144, and it's just like this. It's really cute. You can just pop it in your bag, perfect to go. And lastly, before I end the video, I want to show you guys the vlog clips from my really fun perfume making experience. Look how cute. Everything is so adorable here. We are at the next perfume shop, Ex Nihilo. Look how pretty this is. Now in Saks at Ex Nihilo, I sat down with the chemist and we went over all of my favorite scents, so I knew exactly what I wanted to put in my custom perfume. I got to smell all of the different fragrances and oils that they had, so I knew what I wanted to mix together. Now this was honestly the most fun. It is such a fun experience to be able to go into a store and not just only smell things and just buy whatever you like, but really get to be a part of it and make it yourself. And this experience is completely free, which is the best part of it. So you can buy all of the fragrances at Saks, but then also for free, you can get to make your own. So while I was smelling the perfumes, of course, you guys can probably guess my end conclusion of what I like the best was all of the rosy florally scents, but I actually did mix some citrus scents into it too. So then he talked me through the whole process of making the perfume, what goes into it, how much of every product goes into it, and then I got to do it myself with these little droppers and mix all of my scents together. So once we were done dropping in the ingredients, then we got to mix it all together to make the final perfume, and then after that we poured it into the bottle and it was finished. Once I was finished with my Ex Nihilo perfume making experience and I had my brand new bottle, then we headed over to Flor Aiku, where I had another really cool experience. Basically, we got to smell all of their perfumes and he gave me a poem that went along with each of them, and I also got to have tea time. It is not every day that you get to have tea time, but at Saks, you can have tea time. So once I smelled all the perfumes and I narrowed it down to my top couple of favorites, he taught me about this new concept called shadowing, which is instead of mixing perfumes together, you learn how to wear them side by side so that they complement each other. And so I went home learning something new and with a lot of really amazing smelling perfumes. And yeah, that is it. Those are all of my current beauty essentials. Much more than a favorite, it is an essential. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you just maybe these become some of your essentials. If you like videos like this, favorites videos, essentials videos, you know, all my current things that I love, give this video a thumbs up to let me know, as well as make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos a week every Tuesday and every Friday. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!